The Lamborghini Huracán, a true masterpiece of Italian engineering, made its debut in 2014 as the successor to the iconic Gallardo. With a powerful V10 engine and cutting-edge design, it immediately became a favorite among supercar enthusiasts. However, like any high-performance vehicle, the Huracán has its share of issues that owners and potential buyers need to be aware of. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the most common faults reported by Huracán owners. From engine trouble to electronic glitches, we'll cover the areas where these machines can experience problems. If you own a Huracán or are considering purchasing one, this video is essential viewing. Let's break down the issues you should watch out for. 10. Transmission shifting issues. The Lamborghini Huracán uses a dual-clutch transmission DCT to deliver fast and smooth gear shifts. While DCT technology is known for its performance and speed, it's not without its faults. Some Huracán owners have reported issues with transmission hesitation or rough shifting, especially when transitioning from low speeds to high speeds. This issue is particularly common in models from 2015 to 2017. If your Huracán starts to hesitate during acceleration, or if the shifting feels rough or delayed, it could be a sign of a malfunction within the transmission. This problem is often due to software glitches or wear in the clutch components. It's not uncommon for the transmission software to need an update to improve shifting behavior. In more severe cases, the clutch components may need to be replaced, which can be an expensive repair. Regular checks and timely software updates are crucial to keep the DCT functioning smoothly. 9. Cooling system failures. Cooling is vital for any high-performance vehicle, and the Huracán is no different. The engine generates an immense amount of heat, and the cooling system is designed to keep everything at the optimal temperature. However, some owners have reported cooling system failures, such as radiator issues, coolant leaks, or thermostat failures. These problems can cause the engine to overheat, potentially leading to long-term damage if not addressed quickly. The first signs of a cooling system problem could be a rise in the engine temperature gauge or an unusual smell coming from the engine. If you notice either of these symptoms, it's essential to pull over and allow the engine to cool down. A thorough inspection of the cooling system should be done as soon as possible to prevent any serious engine damage. Regularly checking the coolant levels and keeping an eye on the temperature gauge can help you spot any issues early. 8. Excessive oil consumption. One of the most frequently reported issues with the Lamborghini Huracán is excessive oil consumption. The V10 engine, known for its power and performance, can burn through oil more quickly than many other high-performance engines. While this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, it is something that owners need to keep an eye on, particularly in earlier models 2014 to 2017. The higher oil consumption is often due to the engine's high revving nature and the stress placed on it during aggressive driving. Owners have reported that the oil consumption can be as high as 1 liter every 1,000 kilometers, especially if the car is driven hard. This might not cause immediate damage, but failing to monitor oil levels can result in engine damage over time. Keeping a regular check on oil levels and topping up as needed will help ensure that the engine continues to run smoothly and efficiently. 7. Suspension wear and tear. As a high-performance vehicle, the Lamborghini Huracán's suspension system is designed to handle incredible forces. However, constant driving on rough roads or aggressive cornering can lead to premature wear of suspension components. Over time, owners have reported issues with worn-out bushings, shocks, and control arms, leading to a decrease in ride quality and handling performance. If your Huracán starts to feel bouncy, or if you hear clunking or knocking noises when going over bumps, it's a sign that the suspension may be wearing out. Worn suspension components can cause the car to lose its sharp handling, and more importantly, it can make driving less comfortable. If you notice any signs of suspension problems, it's important to get it checked out as soon as possible to avoid further damage and ensure the car's performance stays at its best. 6. Interior wear and tear. While Lamborghini is known for using high-quality materials inside its vehicles, the Huracán's interior can still suffer from wear and tear over time. Leather upholstery, trim pieces, and dashboard components are prone to fading, cracking, or scuffing, especially in older models or cars that are frequently exposed to the sun. In particular, owners have reported that the dashboard can crack or show signs of sun damage if exposed to excessive heat. The leather seats may also develop cracks or wear patches over time, diminishing the overall luxury experience. Regular care, such as conditioning the leather seats, using UV protectants, and keeping the interior clean, can go a long way in maintaining the vehicle's luxurious feel. If you're looking to preserve the interior, taking steps to protect it from environmental damage is crucial. 5. Carbon ceramic brake wear. The Huracán is equipped with carbon ceramic brakes, which are known for their superior stopping power and high durability. However, these high-performance brakes can wear out faster than traditional steel brakes, particularly if the car is driven aggressively or on the track. While carbon ceramic brakes are designed to handle extreme conditions, they are more susceptible to cracking over time, especially if subjected to repeated high-speed braking. Owners who use their Huracán for track days or performance driving may notice that their brake pads wear out faster than expected. In some cases, the carbon ceramic discs may develop cracks, leading to reduced braking efficiency. If you notice squealing noises or a decrease in braking power, it's important to have the brakes inspected. Replacing the brake pads and ensuring that the discs are free of cracks will help maintain optimal braking performance. 4. Engine misfires and power loss. Engine misfires are one of the most common performance-related issues in the Lamborghini Huracán, particularly in the earlier models. Misfires are usually caused by problems with the spark plugs, fuel injectors, or air intake system. When a misfire occurs, you may experience rough idling, a drop in power, or hesitation during acceleration. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to address the issue quickly to avoid further engine damage. Ignoring misfires can lead to more severe engine performance problems and costly repairs down the line. 3. Clutch issues. The Huracán's clutch is built for performance, designed to handle the immense power of the V10 engine. However, like many performance cars, the clutch can wear out faster than usual, particularly if the car is driven hard. Clutch slippage, difficulty engaging gears, or abnormal pedal feel are all signs that the clutch may be on its way out. Many owners have reported that the clutch in their Huracán starts to show signs of wear after about 20,000 to 30,000 miles. This is not uncommon in performance cars that are frequently driven hard. The good news is that clutch replacement in the Huracán is not as frequent as in other vehicles, but when it does occur, it can be a costly repair. If you notice difficulty in gear shifts or hear unusual noises coming from the transmission, it's important to get the clutch checked by a professional. 2. Electrical and infotainment issues. With all of the advanced electronics packed into the Huracán, it's no surprise that electrical issues can crop up over time. Some owners have experienced glitches with the car's infotainment system, digital displays, or even the power windows. These problems are usually caused by either software issues or loose wiring. For instance, some owners have had their screens freeze or fail to respond to touch commands. In other cases, electrical faults have caused various features, like the infotainment system or seat adjustments, to malfunction. Although these electrical problems are generally not severe, they can be frustrating and detract from the overall experience. 1. Fuel system problems. Fuel system issues are another common problem in the Lamborghini Huracán. Some owners have reported issues with the fuel injectors or fuel pumps, which can cause poor engine performance or even misfires. In some extreme cases, fuel leaks have been reported, which pose a serious safety concern. If you notice that your Huracán is consuming more fuel than usual, or if the engine seems to be misfiring or stalling, it could indicate a problem with the fuel system. The first step is to have the fuel injectors and pump inspected to ensure that they are functioning correctly. If you notice any fuel smells or see leaks around the engine bay, immediately stop the car and get it checked to avoid the risk of a fire. The Lamborghini Huracán is a thrilling supercar, but like any high-performance machine, it requires careful maintenance and attention. From excessive oil consumption to engine misfires, these issues are common among Huracán owners, but they're not insurmountable. Always be proactive with maintenance to avoid expensive repairs and enjoy your Huracán at its best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on luxury cars, performance vehicles, and car maintenance tips. Have you experienced any of these issues with your Huracán? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.